Hello, everyone. My name is Tatiana Paula Pulo Ferrer. I am a student in UNAD of the degree English as a Foreign Language. Today, I talk about evaluation strategy of learning in the e-learning models. The e-learning model is a teaching learning process online through the internet and technology. The e-learning can involve various digital technology such as internet, CD-ROM, PDA, interactive television, or satellite transmission. Over the past decade, research schools and the government have advocated for improving student learning through the use of digital tools. The biggest advantage of e-learning is that it provides the student with active learning opportunity for active learning. Within the online learning environment include email, asynchronous discussion forum, for example, BBS, mailing list, and newsgroup. Two, synchronous discussion forums, for example, online chat room, video conference, and online games. Characteristic. Miller and Miller point out three characteristics of web-based learning environment. The first characteristic as associative structure. The second characteristics are entrained multimedia capability, and three characteristics is various opportunities for synchronous and asynchronous communication. Strategic learning of the e-learning models. The model, the e-learning has the student of the core, and around there are three components. There are skill, will, and self-regulation. Within the e-learning model, four characteristics are identified. Flexible time and space. The task can be done anytime or anywhere as long as you have internet access. Indirect social interacting. The role of the teachers become facilitator and helper. Communication can be synchronous and asynchronous. Abundant information. Resource. The student can instantly retrieve information from all over the world. And dynamic learning interface. Involves the use of internet technology to create learning plans for interaction between student and teacher. Online learning environment challenge student with time, flexible space, indirect social interaction, abundant information resources, and dynamic learning interface. Daily learning model has a number of advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of the e-learning model are large volume of information, facilitate student autonomy, offer different communication tools, facilitates growth and collaborative, training facilitates the use of materials, and save costs and travel. The disadvantages the model e-learning are require students to have the skill for the autonomous environment, lack of internet in some place, and dependence on technology. Question: what is the e-learning models? What are the means of communication that teacher and student have in the e-learning models? What are the characteristics of online learning environments? What are the advantages of the e-learning models? What are the strategic learning models in the e-learning models? Thank you for your attention.